If you're looking for a way to make money online and you're getting confused by all the options, this video is for you. It's affiliate marketing made easy, step one, because it just doesn't need to be all that complicated. Hello, friends. I'm Susan Ritchie, and I'm an affiliate marketing coach. I help women make money online. And today I'm talking about picking your specialty. You may have heard of it called a niche or a niche. Let's get going. Well, a year ago, I started doing affiliate marketing a little under a year ago. And I asked when I heard about this idea, why should I specialize? Why can't I just promote whatever seems cool or profitable? Um, but I have learned that there are very good reasons for specializing in something. When you can specialize in something, you become a bit of an expert about it so that you can speak easily about it. People can ask you questions and you can answer them. You're able to find products that are in line with that specialty. It helps you define your audience, and it helps you focus your messaging. You have to remember you absolutely cannot promote all things to all people. Nobody does that. Maybe Amazon does that. I don't know, but nobody else. No companies, no individuals. You can't do it. You need to specialize. And in the affiliate marketing world, specializing is called, or your specialty is called your niche. So, what is a niche? Um, and I love this definition that I found in dictionary.com. So in case you can't quite read it, I will read it to you. A niche is a space that's all your own, from a literal corner or enclosure to some kind of professional specialty. Like finding a niche in the scented soaps market with peanut butter body wash and winning over a loyal, if not nutty, following. So thanks to dictionary.com for that. So yeah, a niche is your professional specialty. It's what you're an expert in and what your products fall into. It's a topic area. You can think of it that way as well. Now, if you're feeling a little fuzzy about affiliate marketing itself, look for my earlier video, which is a kind of affiliate marketing 101 video. All right. Now, what are some examples of niches or niches, depending on where you live? So I'm giving you some examples. So first niche is pets. Pets are a great niche. Some niche would be dogs, because you want to niche down, go more narrow so that you can become more of an expert and really be able to talk to people about something specific. And then what I've called a sub niche of dogs would be dog training. So there's lots of dog training affiliate products, and we'll get into products in one of the next videos. But just so you know, you could be an affiliate for a product called Brain Training for Dogs, something else called the Crafty Pup, and another one called Dog Trainer Handbook, and there are many. Another example of a niche, so a broad niche, big niche, exercise. Sub-niche, yoga, which I love, and a sub niche, yoga wear. And there's lots of exercise wear companies that have yoga wear. So you could be an affiliate for a Lululemon, Everyday Yoga, a Lala Yoga, and many others as well, and get paid for promoting those products. Last example I'll give you is a broad niche of relationships. A sub-niche of relationships is dating, and a sub niche of dating or of relationships, I guess, are dating websites. You can be an affiliate for a lot of different dating websites: eHarmony, Match, Silver Singles. I think even the one I met my sweetie on, which is Bumble. And all right, but your question, what's the best niche for you? Because this is confusing. Now, if you've watched enough YouTube videos, you probably will have heard another opinion on this. But it's not my opinion in general, and it's not my opinion in this super simple guide to affiliate marketing. Definitely not, because I want to keep it simple for you, because this stuff can be so confusing, and truly it doesn't have to be. So there are three areas that people will spend money on. You need to ask, what will people spend money on? So the three areas that it's well known people will spend money are health and wellness, um, wealth, and relationships. So health and wellness, things like weight loss, exercise, medical issues, for example, blood pressure control, diabetes control, I guess. This is not my niche, but these are things I know. Keto is a big thing in the health and wellness niche. So there are lots of products available in the health and wellness niche for you to promote. In the wealth niche, make money online is one. That happens to be my niche. And personal finance, and there are a number of other ones. And in relationships, dating, relationship advice, attraction, like how to make women attracted to you, how to make men attracted to you, how to find your perfect partner, I guess, things like that. So these are the three major niches where it's known that people will spend money. So my advice to you is choose one of these three niches that's most in line with your own interests. So I said that make money online is my niche right now. It's part of the wealth niche. And the reason I chose this is not that I love money. I don't, money itself brings me no joy. I'm not proud of money or how much money I have. But money, I really believe, supports those other niches, health and wellness and relationships. It can make your life better. And I think by being in the wealth niche and make money online, I can help people like you, I hope, to make money online and improve your life in many ways. So that's my reason for this niche, for being in this niche. But you have your own interests, and one of these other ones may appeal to you most. Whatever you choose, there are many products in these different niches for you to promote. So the key decision from step number one in this easy guide to affiliate marketing is I am in the what niche. So I would like you to get a piece of paper and a pen and write it down. I am in the what niche. My advice is either wealth, health and wellness, or relationships. Now, you do not have to agonize over this. Don't spend a lot of time. If you have a quick reaction, go with it, because your niche may change as you gain more experience. So don't agonize over this. As you gain experience and as you learn more, you may think, no, I think this other niche suits me better, or I like the products available. But for now, pick a niche and move on to the next step. So I would like you to watch for my next video in this affiliate marketing step 2 made easy. And let's see. If you're watching on YouTube, I'd love it if you would subscribe, hit that subscribe button for more making money online content. And also, if you would like to learn the foundational skills in a structured way so that you can have an affiliate marketing business that is profitable, I really recommend that you click the first link in the description of this video. This is a link to the training that I took about a year ago, and everything I've achieved since then was built on that. And there's also a link below to my Facebook community. Again, if you're on YouTube watching this, and I hope you'll join so that you can get the support and help you need as you start an affiliate marketing business, or even as you continue investigating one. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Chat soon.